honeys, welcome back to part 2 of this magnificent reef that we're creating on a budget and trying to create it quick and fast. So far it's coming out super nice. I really love the way it's turning out. Now what I wanted to do was, I already finished hooking up the door holders to the bottom of the reef. Here we have 3 door holders. I love how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute. I also found these massive, like gigantic pom-poms that actually fit the color coordination of the door holders, or whatever you want to call these decorative little things. So I want to add these massive pom-poms right in the center of the bows that the door holders have, accordingly to the color. So for this one we have the purple, so I'm going to add this massive purple pom-pom right over that bow in the center. Okay, just like that. I think it's a really cute idea, and I love that I have the color of the pom-pom that matches the bow. This one is orange. We're going to do the orange one next. Okay. And then the next one is going to be the green, which is this one, and it's going to go right there. Okay. And I thought that would be a really cute little detail to give our reef a nice little fun detail. Okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we're going to do is, we are going to actually, I might add more pom-poms like these around, because I really love these gigantic pom-poms. But before I do that, I want to add some spiders. So I have these spiders that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add a few. I'm not going to add too many because I don't want to go crazy. So I'm going to add let's see, an orange, a green, let's see what else we have in here. We also have bats in here that we can also add. So let's add 2 green and 2 orange. Okay. I don't have another green, but I have another pack of these rings. So I need a green. Oh, I have purple in here too. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. I found purple. So we're going to add, okay, purple. We're going to add 2 purples, 2 greens, and 2 orange. Okay? Boom. Beautiful. That's it. No more. No more. That's enough. No more. That's enough. Okay. Let's cut the backing off the ring. Okay. Very simple. Take your scissors. Do not take your good scissors, obviously, because you would ruin them. And just cut off the backing. It's very simple to do. I'm wondering if I should put the pom-poms and then have the spiders on top of the pom-poms. I'm thinking that might be a good idea. Hold on. Let's see if I can do that. So I was thinking maybe adding like pom-poms like this. See? Sporadically. And then like that, and then maybe we can add these spiders like really kind of like on the pom-poms. What do you think? Yeah, let's do that. Let's add some pom-poms. I love these pom-poms. They're so gigantic. Let me go get some more hot glue. Okay. Okay, let's add some pom-poms. Let's add these gigantic pom-poms, okay, to the reef. We're going to add this right here. We're going to add this purple one. You can't probably see, but I have this purple one right here. Okay, I'm going to add that right here. Right here. And then this orange one is going to go right here. Okay, right there. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is the spiders. We're going to add the spiders. I don't know if I want to add the spiders onto the pom-poms or if I want to add them. Let's see, should we add them to the pom-poms, like right on top of the pom-poms? I think that would look kind of cute and decorative, right? Let's do that. Let's add these spiders onto the pom-pom, right over on top of it like that. Okay. The purple one, I'm going to add the green. See that? And then the orange one, I'm going to add the purple. There you go. And I think we're gonna do the same thing down here with these, okay? Since I have 3 spiders right here, let's do the same thing. Okay, so let's do the green for the purple. Let's do the orange for this one right here. And then the purple one is going to go to the orange pom-pom. And that's it. There you have it. These look super cute, guys. This is really, really a fun little project you can do with the children. You know, if you have kids at home, they would love to do something like this with you because it's so easy to create and so much fun. Okay, perfect. I think I'm basically done, guys. I don't really think I need to do anything else. As far as decorative look to my wreath, I am very happy with how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely adorable this way. It's very simple, but it's very, very cute and very, very Halloween inspired. I love these right here. These are super adorable. I love them. Okay, these are really, really awesome. I was thinking of maybe, let's see if I have something else I can kind of add sporadically in here. Let's see. What else do we have? Let's see. I don't know. I think it'll be too much. No, I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I really like this the way it is. I'm just gonna keep it that way. I honestly think that it looks super fun. It's very definitely Halloween inspired. I love this the way it is. I'm just gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna touch it anymore. I'm not gonna add anything else to it because I don't think it needs anything else. I think it's perfect the way it is, to be honest with you. I kind of really love this the way it is right now. Okay, so basically we're done. So this is the wreath that we created. I'm not sure if you can actually have a good view on this. Obviously, it's kind of really hard to have a nice view on it. But I am going to Instagram this, and I am going to show you guys. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see like the whole finished look to this. But as you can see here, this wreath turned out so beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's just so absolutely gorgeous. It looks absolutely Halloween inspired. There's so many fun things in here that we simply just added, and just a quick nice decorative look to it. It didn't take too much time, as you can see, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to take this to work tomorrow. I'm going to add it into where, I don't know where we're going to add this, but we're going to place this somewhere in our office, and I think it's going to look absolutely beautiful. I will take a picture of it and I will show you guys tomorrow how it looks. But for the moment, this is what we created, my loves. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this. I hope you guys try to make your own. If you do, make sure you Instagram me and you text me. I mean, not text me, I'm sorry. You tag me and show me your work so I can see how it turns out. And just have fun, guys. Just have fun. I love you all. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy watching me make these adorable little wreath. And I will, am going to show you guys how it looks hung up on the wall. Okay, loves? Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for subscribing. I will see you guys on the next video. Love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye.